Hi guys! Yes, look! We're here at the camper site dealer. See? Good afternoon to everyone. We're going to the camper dealership to find a camper. Yes, so we're going to see you there, guys.
For a camper.
Can you turn the volume down?
Because I have 3 weeks of vacation in a row off and trying to figure out where we're going to go and what we're going to do with the world so different.
I've never seen a camper before. I can see when I saw a camper is just the outside of it. I'm going to tour. Am I allowed to tour? To take a video inside?
That's the plan.
Oh, okay. How the camper look like inside? If there is a bed, there is a bathroom, refrigerator, everything that you need when you go out. We're here now and we have to wear our mask. Let's go! So big, guys, look. Oh, laki ng kangkong nila. This is big. Enter inside. Let's go inside. Is there anybody up here? Oh guys! Ay, ang ganda oh! Look! Guys, dito sa loob ang ganda oh. Meron siyang sink. Meron siyang kalan. May mga cabinets. Meron yung front. Ito, meron siyang bed. Wow, cabinets. There's cabinets inside. May table o kainan. Oh my goodness. What's inside? Oh, there is also toilet. May toilet sa loob, guys. May bathroom. May TV. Alam ba mo? It's so beautiful.
You can sit right in the front where you can see backwards.
So nice. Hi! Ayan, dito guys, sa kabila naman tayo guys. Dito sa kabila. Is there anybody in here? Ayan guys, tignan mo. Ayan siyang stairs. Oh. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Pasok tayo. And this is what you're gonna see inside. Oh my goodness. Parang heaven, guys. My bathroom. May bathroom siya. Oh, ang laki ng freezer, refrigerator. Ang laki ng refrigerator niya, guys. Ang ganda. Ay, hindi ko alam buksan to. Ay, ganun pala. Ah, diba, syunga-syunga lang. Oh, freezer. Uy, ang ganda naman nito. Ayan, may refrigerator. Ito, may TV. And may PVC. Ang ganda! Ito ng birthday na guys na binuksan natin. Ito, meron silang microwave. Aircon sa taas mo. Ito ang kala. Ito ang kala. Lutuan. Ito yung kanilang kitchen. Ayan Diba ang ganda ng kitchen? Ito oh, good for 2 or 3. Malaki yung bed niya. Ang ganda naman ito. Ang ganda. Ito oh, may entertainment area pa. Oh, oh ayan, may cabinet sa taas. And then, dito, ayan, ganyan oh. Ang ganda. Oh. Diba? Ayan, yun yung ano, microwave. Ito yung stove. Ito yung TV. Diba? Ang ganda. Yan sa other side yan is entertainment. Ayan, uupo ka. Kung saan ka uupo habang nanonood. Oh. Tapos, CR. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda na guys. Diba? Ang ganda ng bed. Ang ganda. Yan, iikot ko kayo guys slowly ha. Slowly. Ayan, sa aking likod, yan yung bathroom, refrigerator, TV, kitchen. Ah, ito mas maliit pala ito guys. Wala siyang kitchen. Wala siyang table kung kailan saan kakain. Pero, carry na. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Parang mas maganda ito yung bahay. Look at the freezer. It's big. The refrigerator.
That's exactly the kind I want.
You haven't seen the big one, the other one.
I mean, this is exactly the kind of stuff. That's what I want.
Honey, can you, let's still take a
Perfect. This would be perfect. You taping?
Yeah.
This would be perfect. See, it's got the queen bed.
Yeah.
It's got a full freezer
Bathroom.
and refrigerator. It's got a stove, TV, microwave, full sink.
Oh, this is the table. Oh,
Storage
they have
and-
a table also here. Yeah, you can.
You're right. What you put it. What we do is you'd eat right here,
Yeah.
and you
here.
set the table in
Set
front
the
of you.
table right, yes. Like this.
This
Sit
is
down like that.
perfect.
Is this the one that can carry your car?
I'm gonna check.
Or this is big, a little bit bigger?
Well, this is perfect. Look at the shower, hon.
Can I lie down now? Honey, move around. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, when we travel, I'm going to lie down here and then you were...
Oh, you're gonna stay in the back?
Honey, move around.
Okay,
Show
here, you can go ahead.
Show. So, move back. Can you take a picture? The circle one. Ang dami guys, oh.
Hold on, I don't want you falling off.
You hold on. We're going for a ride.
I saw something called a Springdale Mini we just passed. Chain feather. Yes, it sure is.
This one had Ozark right there. That's solid white.
All right, let's take a look, see what we got here.
Ayan guys. So far, nakaapat na tayo ng ano. Ayan. So, tingin pa tayo. Kuha pa tayo. Hanap pa tayo ng ano. Ay, alam ko. Itur ko kayo dun sa isang mas malaki. Mas malaking camper. Saan kaya yung mas malaking camper? microwave. Sink. Marami silang mga ano. Maraming spoon. Everything. What's this for? Baka buka na tayo. Cabinet for the pan. Ayan. Check natin yung ating refrigerator. Freezer. Oh, wow. Good. Stay. Medyo malaki yung ano guys. Refrigerator niya. And the bathroom. Ang ganda, no?
Wow.
Ganda, no? Here is the bed.
Oh, wow. Job.
So, naumiga. Ganda! Ang ganda!
So, ayan na guys, ang ending ng ating camper tour. You know what we're gonna get if we decide to buy one. You already know?
I have it. The one that we wanted to look at.
Yeah, the other one.
There's one
the last
little. There's
right?
one last one we didn't get to look at, but out of all the ones we looked at, we know which one. Except we just want to look at one other one next time we're there. We didn't have time. The place
We didn't
closed.
have time anymore. Oh, the place 6 o'clock is
Yep.
going close already. Yes.
Plus, it's so freaking hot,
It's so hot.
and we don't.
Yeah, so we're going home, and definitely we already know what to get if we decided to buy one. So, thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy our camper tour. And please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're all updated every time we had a new videos. Thank you so much guys, and thank you for all your love and support.